Vontobel Holding App. The pros, the cons. If you are looking for a reliable way to manage your investments on the go, the Vontobel Holding App promises convenience, transparency and powerful portfolio tools, but is it truly worth using? One of the biggest pros is its portfolio management features. Most people get this wrong by thinking investment apps are only for buying and selling stocks. Vontobel offers real-time portfolio tracking, detailed performance analytics, and the ability to monitor holdings across asset classes. For example, you can see exactly how your equities, bonds, and funds are performing in one unified dashboard. The app also provides research and insights. Market news, expert commentary, and investment reports help users make informed decisions. For investors who want guidance without paying for premium advisory services, this is a significant advantage. Another positive is security. Vontobel implements strong encryption, two-factor authentication, and account alerts to keep your investments safe. The app is designed for both casual investors and seasoned professionals, making it versatile for different experience levels. However, there are cons. Some users report that the interface can be overwhelming for beginners and navigating advanced features requires a learning curve. Transaction fees may also be higher than some other investment platforms, particularly for smaller trades or less active accounts. Additionally, customer support can sometimes be slow when dealing with complex account issues. In conclusion, the Vontobel Holding App is ideal for investors seeking a comprehensive tool to manage portfolios, access research, and track performance. The surprising truth is that while it's powerful, beginners may need time to get comfortable with all the features. If you're ready to take control of your investments with professional-grade tools at your fingertips, Vontobel can be a strong choice, but be prepared to invest some time learning the platform to maximize its potential.